Welcome to ketomealsandrecipes.com. Today I'm going to be making a very easy and fresh tasting nutty avocado spread. What's really amazing about this recipe is that all the ingredients are raw and fresh, and the combination has such a clean and satisfying taste. The nutty avocado spread works really well with my flaxseed wraps or my flaxseed chips, or you could use my nacho chips. So please watch this video to the end, where I will also give you the macronutrients for the complete nutty avocado spread wrap. At the end, I will also provide a teaser for the next video, which, by the way, finishes off a 3-part meal. The macronutrient ratio for this nutty avocado spread is 5.3 to 1, with 2.2 grams of carbs, 1.1 gram of dietary fiber, resulting in only 1.1 grams of net carbs per 28 gram or 2 tablespoons serving. As I mentioned, this is an extremely simple and quick recipe to make. Begin by weighing all the ingredients and chop the Brazil nuts. This will make for a better texture when you're all done. And rough chop and dice all your vegetables. Then add everything to the food processor. I began with my chopped Brazil nuts and the cilantro. Next I added the spring onions, both the green and the white parts, the salt, and my cubed avocado, and toss the cubes into your food processor. Then just pour the fresh lemon juice on top. This quantity of lemon juice not only creates a really great taste, but also prevents the avocado from oxidizing or turning brown. And then put the lid on and just blend everything until it's well combined. And the last thing I add is my avocado oil. And then I again blend for about 30 to 60 seconds until the texture is uniform and smooth. Then scoop everything out and place into your serving bowl. And that's all there is to this. I really like this spread because this has a very different taste and is a nice change of pace when you want something different than guacamole. I really do like guacamole, but this has a taste which is clean and a bit tart, and yet you can taste every ingredient individually because it's all fresh, which goes extremely well with the flaxseed crackers or tortilla chips. Or, as I have shown in the beginning, makes a great simple nutty avocado spread for your wraps. However, if you're not partial to the taste of flaxseed wraps, another really great way to serve it is by spreading it on my pita 2 ways flatbread, or use my other tortilla recipe. All of these recipes I've mentioned, I'll provide a link in the description below. And if you're in a hurry or just want something really simple, all you have to do to make this wrap is take a tortilla or flatbread of your choice. In this case, I'm using my flaxseed wrap. For this tortilla, I used a double serving or 4 tablespoons, which I spread over the entire surface of my flax tortilla. And then, starting at one end, just rolled it up. What's really wonderful about this spread, because you've used a lot of lemon juice, it'll stay this beautiful green color for a very long time. And if you haven't used everything up, cover the bowl with cling wrap, making sure it's very airtight, and refrigerate it until the next time you need it. But just one thing, do use it up in 1 or 2 days. It's best when it's fresh. And here's the macronutrient chart for the flax wrap with the nutty avocado filling. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and enjoy this nutrient-dense and really tasty and so simple to make spread. And here's the teaser. I served these amazing nutty avocado spread wraps as part of our dinner when I served the green bean and coconut cream Thai soup. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and please come back for the next video. The link for this nutty avocado spread, as well as all the other recipes I mentioned, will be posted in the YouTube description below.